Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is BTC, and you're watching degenpal. And today we're gonna be doing a quick video on how to use the opBNB's desk, which is the binary swap. Okay, so on a previous video, we did a video on how to bridge to opBNB, how you can add opBNB to your wallet, and how you can trade in opBNB. So in case you don't know how to do any of this, you can just go back to the previous video and wash. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So to go to the opBNB swap, which is which is the binary swap, just look for binary swap, binaryswap.io, swap.io. So here we are. This is a binary swap. The first thing you have to do is to connect your wallet, but my wallet has already been connected due to the fact that I've been actually been doing some transaction on opBNB lately. Okay, this is my wallet that was connected, and this my remaining balance. Okay, and this is the network opBNB. The things, what are the things you can do on this binary swap? You can swap your token, which is exactly the same thing. Let me say I want to buy a particular token now. All I just have to do just go straight to the here. Let me see, this is the token I want to buy. I'll just copy the contract address of that particular token, which is the X, and I'll just paste that contract address. I'll just click on import and I'll paste the contract address here. Okay, I'll import the token and I'll import. Okay, so then I'll now select the amount I want to trade. Let's just say I want to trade with half any amount I choose to trade with. I just put it 0.0.0001. Okay, this amount I want to trade. I'll just click on swap. If I click on swap, this is the amount they're gonna charge me for the swap. Okay, once I click on confirm, I will automatically swap my my token. That's basically how to trade on a binary swap. You can also do the other way around if you want to sell. All you just have to do just to click on the center button, the whole thing will turn around. You sell this to get this. So if I click on, I didn't buy this. If I bought it, it will show nation. So if I click on this, I'll just click here and approve. Same way you did when I want to buy and you are done buying. Then the next thing on this video is how to the pools. Okay, now how do you add your liquidity pool? How do you create your pool, import your pool, and add liquidity? How do you add liquidity pool? This is basically for those for developer people that want to add LP and LP provider, those who want to stake. Okay, so if you want to provide LP or maybe you want to you deploy your own token and you want to add liquidity to it, this is exactly where you come. Okay, so I will actually be doing a separate video on that on how to deploy your own token on opBNB. If you're actually interested in that, you can also hit me up. For those who might not be able to have patience to wait for the next video, you can just hit me up and I will help you to do that. Just $25 or what it's gonna cost you to get a custom CA that you can use for to get a custom contract that you can use for your deployment. Okay, so you create on create pool. This is the pool here. You paste it here. When you paste it, you paste the CA of your token. Let's say for the sake of this one, you're using this particular token. You input the amount you want to do, and that is just it. Okay. There's nothing big about it. Then the next thing is something import pool. Import pool, just select the token you want. Once select let me say I select this particular token now. Okay, let me select for paper because I traded this for paper yesterday. The thing we import and we do what we want to do. The next thing is add liquidity. For those who want to add liquidity, it's as simple as that. You click here, you select the token you want to add LP on. You select the amount you want to add LP here. You select the amount you want here. Okay, let me see. If you want to add one BNB, you can just click on one BNB. Remember, opBNB is using BNB as a unit of their token. Okay, so I can also you now come here and put the amount of token you want the one BNB to be paid with. That's just it. And then you put the enter amount, blah blah blah, and that's just it. And you're done. Okay, you just say I enter the 0.00001. Okay, and this is the X equivalent. You see sufficient amount. I wish I had this is 0.0 this. Sorry, I made a mistake. This is 0 this I should be able to have this amount on my let me click on mass. I really don't have any BNB in my wallet. Where is happening? There's no BNB in my wallet. Okay, 0. I think I'm supposed to have some BNB left over. Okay, there it is. Insufficient S. Okay, that is to say that I really don't have any X on my wallet. If I had this token called S, the wallet would have appeared there, but I don't have it. So I'm not deploying the token, so I'm not holding X. But if you are the one that deployed the token, definitely your wallet will be holding this token. I just click on here, which is the create pool, and the pool will be created automatically and not next. So the next thing is farm. How do you farm? For those who want to know the meaning of farming is just like more where you okay. Next thing is farm. Just come here. You first you click on that farm. You connect your wallets and let's say in this case you're connecting on MetaMask wallet. Okay, I'm connecting my MetaMask wallet. Okay, that is just it. Then you have your home, your trade, your farm, your pool, terminal, blah blah blah. Okay, so now this is the farm. Let's just say you want to farm 10x multiplier. Just import the token you want to farm, and that just the next. So the next thing now is stake. How do you stake a token? What is staking actually? For those who don't know of staking, staking is basically where you put in a particular token or a particular amount of liquidity into a particular token, providing liquidity for people to trade that token. Okay, just like liquidity provider. For every transaction to happen, someone provided the liquidity that enables that transaction. So if you're a liquidity provider, you are staking your token and you end up getting reward for it. Okay. So here you impute, you connect your wallet, see something again. You connect your wallet, you impute the okay, still connect my wallet again. You impute the amount of token I want to stake. And this stake this it here. Wrapped and approved it should appear in my wallet for me to approve it. Okay. They're charging me 0.00 BNB for me to approve and okay, I'm approving it. Okay. Next is wrapped and okay. You approved it, then you stake in the I really don't have any money. I just input that right, it's not showing. You input the amount you really want to stake. Okay, that's just basically how to stake and nothing else. Next thing is chart. Look at the chart. I believe that everybody should know the meaning of chart. To the layman language, you know the meaning of chart. This is just a chart. You look at the token you want to trade and select the one you want to trade. That's just it. So this is just basically all you can do with this particular OPBNB DES. Okay. So I'm just basically how what you can do with other DES too. So it's not difficult, something that's very simple. So in case you're watching for the first time, I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. Thank you so much, and please do wait to subscribe and also do wait to the notification button and do what to click the like button so that this video can get to those who really need this video. Just like the way you're able to watch it. Also, don't deprive others the privilege to be able to see this video by not liking it. Just please do and like. Also, that is the way you can also encourage me to continue doing this video I'm doing. Okay. I really appreciate it and I love you guys. Enjoy your day. Bye.